What's up everybody and welcome back to another episode on my channel. Actually, I just wanted to restore the air filter housing. Then I saw the hoses and decided to replace them. After the hoses were off, I thought to myself, why not the idle air control valve? So, here we are now. The IAC valve is located directly behind the fuel distributor. Disconnect both hoses before pulling it out. Carbon builds up after prolonged use. This means that the valve inside is no longer easy to move and the car cannot regulate idling. You can check it with a screwdriver or move it with a jerk. Here you should hear it click. If not, the valve is stuck. Let's move on to the cleaning process. I'm using throttle valve cleaner, and as usual I will link the products that I use in the description below. Keep spraying until the cleaner comes out clean. And here comes the secret cocktail recipe, IAC on the beach. Cheers! Okay, just kidding, don't drink it. Now the inside has to be lightly oiled again, as the cleaner has removed all lubricants. And that's it for today. In the next episode I will reinstall the IAC, but before that I am still waiting for the hoses that I have already ordered. As soon as they are there, I will start installing them. So make sure you subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and see you next time.